Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Today's project is this one. It is a huge bag using free paper. We love free paper, so this is part of Celebration. So if you place an order that is £90, €120. I forgot for a minute then. You get a pack of 12 by 12 designer series paper and lots of different patterns. I only brought the one over I'm going to work with. And a stamp set too, which is lovely. We love free. Always love free. So I wanted to show you how to make this lovely bag. It's one I've made before. It's a nice big gift bag. It would be, I'm trying to think, we're August, which is kind of wedding season, so maybe fill it with some goodies as bridesmaids gifts, or mother of the bride, or mother of the groom, or just a general gift bag. Maybe it's baby season. I don't know, baby shower, put some goodies and treats in there. Whatever, it's a gorgeous bag and you're making it at no cost. Okay. So, piece of paper, 12 by 12 inches, 30.5 by 30.5, and I'm going to start with it the right way up, i.e. with my pattern making sense. If you've got a pattern like that, doesn't matter which way round, I'm going with this one. And on the first side, score it at 2 inches, 5 3/4, 7 3/4, and 11.5. That's all in inches, which in metric is 5, 14.5, 19.5 and 29. And then on the second side, score it at 2 and 10, which is 5 and 25.5 centimetres. And the finished dimensions of it, whoops, I'm just going to put that where it's it's 8 inches from there to there, or 10 inches to the top, 2 inches there, and 3 3/4. So in metric, no idea because I didn't write it down and I've just pulled that out the top of my head. What's that going to be? That's going to be 20 centimetres to there. It's going to be 5 centimetres to there, and it's going to be 11.5 to there. Maybe a bit more than that. I don't know. 5 3/4. No, 14.5. I'm trying to do these sums in my head. Okay. Right, so let me get everything burnished. And this is very much a bag where the paper is doing the talking for you. I love the paper, it's absolutely beautiful. I totally forgot to order, well, did I forget to order? No, I don't think it was available when pre-order first started for demonstrators, and so I then ordered it when I next could. But I think my little brain is subconsciously saying, have you ordered that stuff yet? Even though I know I've worked with it, because I keep ordering more when I get it for free. Okay, so this again is the right way around. So that's the top, this is the bottom. I'm going to find a big pair of scissors that I thought were to the left of me, but apparently not. So and cut away that little bit there, and then just cut straight on these lines here. Get some tear and tape around here. So this paper and stamp set bundle only available till the end of August, all while stocks last. And our lovely fellow demonstrators over in the United States, they've been losing stuff for weeks, been selling out that quickly. I suspect we're going to join them. Just putting some tape on there. Yeah, we're going to be joining them with sell-out stuff, so if you want it, don't wait. That's all I'm going to say. Okay, so I'm going to fold in the sides and the back, and then bring that around, and this is how big it is. Look at that, it's going almost the length of my arm. Goodness. Right, so we've got this score line here, and if you push at that point, the bag's going to resist, and it's going to resist sort of part way down. Obviously that's dependent on what you have inside, but I kind of like that. Right, let's get some of this gorgeous. I've used this one before. I'm going to go with Orchid Oasis, which apparently I need to order some more of. Oops. my best to tie a bow. And look at that. I've got short and long. Oh, it's just, you know, one day I will master the art. In the meantime, it's entertaining. No, I lie, it's not. Okay, I've got my stamp set. I have got some, actually this is Starry Sky, which kind of matches a bit better. And although that is Orchid Oasis, I just feel it goes better. So I'm going to measure up, I'm going to stamp first. And I'm going to do this technique that I shared with you the other day, and if you didn't see it, you get another go at it. So I'm going to take in some shaded spruce. No, it's not shaded spruce, is it? It's evening evergreen. And some Starry Sky. And you take the side of the brush end, so there's a thin end and a brush end, and just stroke it onto the stems. And if you do the side, you get a good coverage. And then some Starry Sky, and again just the side. And our inks are water-based, which means that you could leave this for hours or days like this and then come back to it and just breathe on it to get it, well, re-moistened, I guess, and then it will stamp perfectly. I won't leave it that long, but obviously you can, I'm sure you can see, I hope you can see that it's going on wet and then it's drying quite quickly. So what I will do is I'll breathe on it, and I'm not a noisy breather, so you'll just have to trust me. That's kind of reactivated the ink. I'm going to stamp it down here, and I've got two colours. Love it. Okay, so I'm now going to cut according to size. So I want to cut, I think there is about right. Yeah. And about there. And then I'm going to get my piece of Starry Sky. Oh, I've got my measurements already. And go 1/2 centimetre bigger on either side. So I'll just pop that over the front. Oh, I clearly didn't measure that. Oh, it needed to be 11, not 11.5. Let's try that again. Just take off 1/2 centimetre. Do that again. And it will just sit over the front like that with a nice even border all the way around. I've got a roll of paper sitting on my ribbon shelves. I have ordered new ribbon shelves. By the time you see this video, hopefully they'll have arrived. And go and check out Instagram because I'll have likely put them there. But yeah, I've got a roll of paper on there. I was taking some pictures for my son and he wanted a white background with my spotlights. And, you know. So, I got out a rack of white paper and it's still sat there. Okay, I'm going to put that on the front and I'm looking for an equal border on the 3 sides. And that, I think, is a rather gorgeous free gift. It is a free gift because you've got the free paper and the free stamp set. All you need is just some ribbon and card and ink. And yeah, and everybody's got those anyway. So, thank you ever so much for joining me. Let me just scooch that in as a reminder. Belgium and Ireland, we're opening there soon. Get in touch, you know you want to. Anyway, thank you ever so much for joining me. Hope to speak to you very soon. Bye.